Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video I want to share with you how to make Ghana Bofrot or puff puff. Bofrot is a snack eaten with porridge or by itself. It's a street food sold by food vendors in Ghana and it tastes soft and crunchy. So let's get started. So here are my ingredients I'll be using. I have here 6 cups of plain flour, sugar, half sugar, 1 cup of milk powder, 200 grams of butter, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of lemon essence, and I have here a pinch of yellow food color and half a teaspoon of salt, and also 1 cup of milk, nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 cup of water. So in the mixing bowl, I will start by adding the water and add all the ingredients. So over here I'll be using the machine mixer, but in case you don't have the mixer, you can use your hands to do it. So after adding all the ingredients, I'll go ahead and mix all together to combine very well. And then I'll start kneading with the machine. Now I'll add in the lemon essence and the plain flour. So I'm adding in the butter and the milk powder. And also I'm adding a little bit of milk, warm milk. Then I'll start kneading with the machine. So continue to knead until it's all combined. So With the clean hands, I'll be using my fingertips to touch the dough and to make sure it doesn't stick on my hand or inside the bowl. So in that case, you got the right texture. So in case it becomes sticky on your hands, that means you might need to add more flour. Now on the chopping board, I have added a little bit of flour, and with my fingertips I will start cutting the dough and roll into small equal sizes. So now I have rolled all the dough into smaller pieces. I'll go ahead and leave it to sit in the sun for about 45 to 1 hour. So after 45 to 1 hour, the dough has increased in size. And with the clean hands, when you touch it, you can see it bounce back. So that means it's ready to fry. So over here in my saucepan, I have in oil. Heat the oil in a medium to high low heat, and then start by adding in the dough and fry for about 5 minutes. So please ensure the heat is low so it doesn't burn. Now I will continue to turn it until it becomes golden brown. So Bofrot is a snack eaten with porridge by itself. It can be eaten by itself or with this or with porridge, and it's a snack sold in Ghana by the food vendors. It's very tasty, soft, and it's crunchy outside. So I hope you give it a try, and please, if you like this recipe, please subscribe, like, and share. Also, the milk is optional, so you can decide to use only water, which is fine. So at this point, it's done. So I will remove them and leave it to cool down. So you can see how soft it is inside, and it's very crunchy outside. So I hope you also try this, and let me know if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video with another recipe. Thank you so much. Bye.